Hi guys, welcome to this video. Guys, in this video I'll give you today's target. Guys, we are doing geography this week. So today's target is this human geography book, Indian human geography book. Guys, India, people and its economy. And you need to cover this book also, human geography, fundamentals of human geography. Guys, number of questions coming from these two books is not very high. So you need not spend a lot of time on these two books. What I will do is that I will give you some important chapters which you need to focus, which is important for UPSC Prelims 2023. Guys, this I am giving you by analyzing last 1 year current affairs and seeing the trend of questions which have come in the UPSC preliminary examination in the last few years. Guys, as far as how to start, you first start with this fundamentals of human geography book, okay, and you read the unit 2. You read the unit 2, which is the world population distribution, density, growth, population composition and human development. You read these three chapters. Here I would like to tell you that please refer Optima notes for new data, okay, relevant data, because world population, here the data are old, so you will refer the recent data, okay, given by the United Nations, okay, which is given in my Optima notes, okay, geography Optima notes. So please refer that. After you read this unit 2 of this book, fundamentals of human geography, you come to this book, okay, and you read the same unit 1, okay, it's the same topics: population, distribution, density, growth and composition, migration, human development from India perspective. This is the way you have to do the integrated study. Generally, like, many people don't know this and they waste a lot of time, okay, doing that. Next, again, human settlement is given here, and human settlement is given in this book also. First you read from this book and then you read from this book, but human settlement is not that important. Then directly what you can do is that you finish unit 3, okay, of Indian geography. Finish unit 3, land resources, water resources, mineral resources, manufacturing. These are the 4 chapters which is very important. However, when we see the type of question coming from this, generally they are from the current resources. For example, now lithium reserves have been found, discovered in, okay, Jammu and Kashmir, so, or somewhere else also in the world, okay. So they will ask you those kinds of resources. This year lithium, then this year critical minerals, okay, critical minerals, strategic minerals are very important. Last year they have asked rare earth minerals. This year they will ask you, okay, critical minerals, or they can ask you polymetallic nodules, or they can ask you coal and oil and gas also, because they have been in news for the last 1 year because of the Ukraine crisis. Okay, once you do that, then what you can do is that read this chapter from this book. You read the international trade, you read that chapter, international trade, and just to have to get little bit basics, okay, international trade, you can see transport and international trade. And here also, you, after that, reading that, you can read transport and international trade. Okay, here also I would like to tell you, in transport and international trade, the data are very old, so you have to refer my Optima notes to get the new data on international trade. For example, which are the commodities which are exported by India, or which are the commodities which are imported by India, top 3 commodities, top 3 sources from where we are importing, okay, from where we are importing oil. Guys, recently you see we are importing more oil from Russia, okay. So these kinds of developments, okay, they can ask. Particularly they can ask agriculture commodities, import and export, they can ask you, because for the last 1 year, because of the Ukraine crisis, the agriculture commodities trade has been in news, particularly that wheat trade, okay, that Black Sea thing is very important. So guys, very 2-3 questions, max 2 questions from this section, and that too current oriented, so don't invest a lot of time. What I can predict is that the 2 questions this year which will come from this section will be one on population. I can guarantee you there will be one question on population, and there will be one question on mineral resources. Generally, high chances lithium or these critical minerals like cobalt, okay, copper, etc., etc. Please do read the geography Optima notes. Tomorrow there is a test of geography, so I hope you have prepared for that. Thank you guys, bye bye, take care.